Welcome back to Barnes Run Garage. Today we'll be opening the Holley Vintage Series Finned Oval Air Cleaner. Now this is what usually hot rods use, the cast aluminum lid. We will also be just unboxing the components and we'll also be putting it on the GMC. So let's unbox it. Yeah, take a look here. Ooh, this is nice. It is thin. This is very heavy. This is actually a really heavy cover.
Oh yeah, that looks cool.
Really nice.
So
cover.
Is that? Oh, it's a textured black.
Ooh.
Powder coated.
There's the air filter. So this air filter may look like a CNN air filter, the basic ones, but it's actually a cotton-filled one. And I think it's a hot rod to use as well sometimes. Yeah. Let's put that there.
It's oil filled, so you can service it. You can clean it up afterwards.
So this is a base. It's like, well, it's just heavy. That's all I can explain about it. And then this pole, we noticed it's too short for the Sniper EFI 2. But it's good for basic carburetors that would be on trucks. So we have, where to go? I know it's here somewhere. It's under this, I know it. So we got another one here, which is a bolt for adjusting it. And we have the gasket and then the wing nut. So let's put this thing on the truck. Okay, so we're gonna put on first we're gonna put on the gasket and this, what's the pole called again?
It's the post.
The post. So we're gonna do a post first. So let's get it on. Because usually these can get pretty long. I'm going to screw it in until it stops. Then you put this on there. Normally you would put a 7/16 on it to just tighten it a little more, but we're just going to test if it works first. Like, oh. Right. This gasket just drops on there. Well, sort of. There. And you put this on. Whoa. Jeez. Yeah, I'm not there. Okay. Okay, now I'm just gonna go get the air filter. And I'm gonna go get the Holley cover. Okay, so be careful not to scratch it. Let's go like this. I got it first try. Well, that's too short. So that's gonna need to be a little higher, so.
Put the wing nut on there and see. You just want to have like one thread or maybe two threads sticking out of the top.
Oh, geez. One. And we just got like 2 threads. So yeah, that works. Now I'm just gonna make it Actually, it already looks pretty straight, but I'm gonna do one that's like that. I'm gonna tighten it down like that. Bang. So that's gonna be it for this video. That's how easy it is just to put a Holley thing. Sometimes you have to just adjust it a little bit to make it straight. We will be having covers for this, and they'll be the same because Holley makes they make matching valve covers like this to put here. So I'll have the Holley thing and the stripes, and it'll go on both sides. So yeah, it'll just look like that. Yep. So that's it for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.